Next I will take in the Latin square. Like here, very important one is a square matrix format. Square means square matrix format. That square matrix values should be greater than 2, not per less than 2 or not equal to 2. Only we taking that greater than 2 format is accepted in the Latin square. Okay. So why? What is the reason? That is a very important 2 mark. Okay. The end of ANOVA table, you know the conclusion of the why is not taking in n greater than 2 or n less than 2. Why not taking n less than 2 or n equal to 2? That is a very, very important 2 mark. Why not taking is equal to 2? Okay. That is I am put that end of conclusion in the ANOVA table. Okay. So this one is square matrix format. Therefore, you know the value x1 to xn. Here also x1 to not for xm. Here also xn only. Okay. Therefore, you know the value x1 to x1n. The end of value xnn. But the previous value is here xmn. That means maybe rectangle table or right angle table. So square that means square table. It's no problem. Okay, rectangle or in the square format, no issues. A two-way and two-way first part RPT and one way is also rectangle table and square table. It's no issues. But here Latin square only consider the square format. Only consider the square format of the matrix. Only consider the square format of matrix. And also n values 2 by 2 is not there. 3 by 3 onwards will taking. 3 by 3 is extra 2. 4 by 4, 5 by 5 will taking. Not taking 2 by 2. Not taking 2 by 2. Okay. Then how to form the Latin square? That is a very important. To know the additional one, the treatment ABC value is given. The treatment ABC value is given. The treatment calculation you want separately calculate. Okay. Now the previous problem, you want to order the ABC value. Okay. In the two-way calculation, that AP's value want order in the RPT method. Suppose APC values is there, then you want to order the APC value in this table. But here, what is a row, what is a column is there. Okay. What is a row and what is a column is there. We want to find the table same. Not using here APC, but is a table value is here using then x1, x2, x3 is we want to put in here. Then another one calculation, treatment calculation separately one find that. That is where treatment calculation separately one find that. Okay. Then what is a H naught? H naught is three values. There is no significance between rows, columns, and also treatment. And also treatment. Okay. In this way, Latin square H naught is there is no significant between rows, columns, and treatment. Okay. Then what is a calculation part? Calculation part up to 9 up to okay, I write. Grand total is same. Grand total is same formula for one way, two way, and corrected pattern is also same formula for one way, two way. And the next one, row wise calculation. Row wise calculation is also same formula. Here square means is no is only n. Rows and columns are same. Therefore, I am using here n. And fourth one, MSR. MSR is SSR divided by degrees of freedom. All values are same. Therefore, degrees of freedom equal to n minus 1. Okay. Fifth one, SSC. SSC meaning summation xj squared whole squared divided by divided by n only, because square matrix n only minus corrected pattern. And the sixth one calculation, MSC. MSC meaning SSC divided by degrees of freedom. That is degrees of freedom value is n minus 1. The seventh calculation is a very important one. How many values is there? Row, column is completed. Next, you want to write that extra additional term in Latin squared. This is a very important calculation. Difference between the two-way. Two-way calculation is not there, but Latin squared is there. That notation is SST. Sum of square of treatment. Sum of square of treatment. That is equal to sum of square of treatment squared. Okay. Sum of square of the treatment squared whole squared divided by how many values is there, you want to put that. Okay, sum of square of treatment square divided by n minus corrected factor, minus corrected factor. This is a formula. SST, additional one term MST. MST meaning SST divided by degrees of freedom. This degree of freedom same formula n minus 1. This degree of freedom same formula for ms n minus 1. Now DSS is same formula. DSS equal to what is the formula? Sum of the each separate square minus corrected factor. 10th formula is little bit change because here 3 term, that 3 term can be written as DSS minus SSR SSC in the two-way calculation. Additional one term is minus, that is called a SST. Additional one term is minus, that is called a SST. This is a Latin squared formula. Okay, total 3 new formula, 7, 8 and also 10. Remaining are same calculation for the two-way. Remaining are same calculation for two-way. Okay, and MSE. MSE equal to SSE divided by what is that here? Very important, degrees of freedom of error. Okay, what is the degrees of freedom of error? That is equal to degrees of freedom of error is n minus 1 into n minus 2. Degrees of freedom formula n minus 1 into n minus 2 SSC. Okay, this is a degrees of freedom formula. Previous case r minus 1 into c minus 1, but here n minus 1 into c minus 1. This is a new formula. Then you form the Latin squared ANOVA table. After complete this 11 calculation, you form the Latin squared ANOVA table. Okay, Latin squared ANOVA table. Latin squared ANOVA table. So it is the same work here. Source of variance and sum of square, degrees of freedom, and now ms mean square and f ratio. F ratio. Then what is work here? And one is called a between rows. Second one between columns. Third one between treatments. Between treatment, and fifth one is error. Fifth one is error. And the corresponding values is there. Already completed the previous calculation 11th part up to 11th part. Okay. Next this new formula. This is now SSR, SSC, SST, SSE. This formula n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1 into n minus 2. This is a 2 mark question, very very important. MS or MSC, MST and here MSE. F ratio. What is the formula of F ratio? 3 formula is there. One is called a F calculation part of R, F calculation part of column and F calculation part of treatment. F calculation part of treatment. This is extra formula. Remaining are same formula only. Previous what is the formula here? Which one is considered? Consider these two. Which one is greatest value? Then you write the numerator. Otherwise, smallest values you write the denominator. Same idea using 3 cases also. Which one is greatest value? Write in numerator. Another one is smallest value you write in the denominator. Okay. This is a calculation part. And the same idea table value. Okay, table value. What is the table value here? at alpha level. Three part is there. That three part is first part f table value r. Then alpha will taking 5% and we taking three different value. That is both are n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1 is no use, but I will taking comma 1, comma 2, comma 3 and the last one is comma 4. Therefore, I writing the first one is consider that comma 1, comma 2 degrees of freedom in rows. Then FTR value is what? This is the first calculation. Second calculation, alpha is same, but here you are taking that comma 2, here comma 4, comma 4. Then what is the calculation value of table value of what is the table value of column base? Third one, FTT, that meaning table value of treatment. What is the degrees of freedom? This is called a degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom means level of symptom is same, but the degrees of freedom is a different one. Therefore, here comma 3, comma 4, comma 3, comma 4. Consider you want to find these three values, then check that table value and calculation value. Then you write the conclusion. You know the conclusion part. Same idea. Conclusion. So it is a conclusion part. Calculation value is should be less than or equal to table value and H naught is accepted. Otherwise rejected. Okay. Accepted meaning separately want to check that. Three cases is there. The three cases you want to separately find. Okay. Row wise accepted or not. Okay. Column wise accepted or not. And treatment wise accepted not. Treatment wise accepted or not. Please check that. Accepted or not, rejected. Accepted or rejected. Please check and complete your work in the conclusion. Okay. Any doubt regarding this algorithm what Latin square?
No, sir.
Okay. I am told after complete ANOVA table, why not taking 2 by 2 matrix? I am told in the starting of Latin square. Okay. Why not taking in the Latin square 2 by 2? Any clue? Check that ANOVA table. Why is not taking 2 by 2 matrix in the Latin square? We check that ANOVA table. What is the reason? Why not taking n equal to 2 in the Latin square? This is a very, very, very important 2-mark question. Any idea? Any idea? Why not taking n is equal to 2 in the Latin square? This is a conclusion. Why not taking in the Latin square? Suppose n value is equal to 2. Then what is the calculation part here? Why n equal to 2 not taking in Latin square. In Latin square. Tell me, suppose n equal to 2, then what is the result here? MSE result.
The denominator will be 0.
Denominator
So,
is does not exist, correct? Therefore,
yes, sir.
MSE does not exist on that calculation part. Therefore, MSE does not exist in the calculation part. Therefore, n is not equal to 2. Is not satisfied in the Latin square. This is a very, very, very important 2-mark part. Okay, very, very important in the 2-mark part. Any doubt? No. I moved to the problem. Any doubt means I am waiting here. Otherwise, I move to the problem. Problem very easy one. It's no issues. Very easy one. We have
Sir,
one.
sir,
Yeah, yeah.
sir,
Tell me.
sir, I need to go, sir. Wait,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. That means your homework only. That's why I am told. You know calculation part.
Oh,
Then only it's
okay.
just I
Okay,
given the
okay, sir.
idea. Just I given the idea. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Only 5 minutes is there. I 5 minutes I given that our ideas. No issues. Okay. I given the one problem. This is a question. Wait. Yeah. This is a question. So first you know this analyze and Latin square is also directly given. some problem is not given, then you want to check that is a square format or not. Please check that. Okay, square format or not. Suppose square format meaning directly you write Latin square. Rectangle format meaning you write the RPT. Suppose square format problem RPT is exit, is also exit, is not given. Suppose here Latin square is not given, meaning either this problem using Latin square or RPT method. Suppose is given Latin square, meaning you want only using the Latin square. Okay, only using the Latin square. So what is the difference between one two-way and Latin square calculation? In Latin square calculation, does not change the any rows and any columns in the format of treatment of A, B, C, D. Just to directly write the value, the corresponding value. First, you write the H naught. H naught. There is no significance between the uh, row wise, column wise, and treatment wise. Okay. In the Latin square, suppose you select the Latin square, there is no significance between the row wise calculation, column wise calculation, and treatment calculation. Okay. Now you write the what is the difference between two-way and Latin square. Two-way meaning you write here ABC, but here Latin square also write x1, x2, x3, x4 only. Okay, x1, x2, x3, x4 only. Therefore, row and column does not write the treatment of ABC format. Write in the given the problem, what is the here given, what is here given, then write directly 12, 8 in 12 and 16. Also here write directly. Okay, also write here directly 20, 14, 15, 11, and also here 16, 11, 19, 15, 10, 14, 13, 20. Okay, then after that calculation you want to calculate all things idea, all things idea up to MSc, up to MSc who complete the all things idea using this table, not arrange the APC format. Okay, not arranging the APC format. Up to MSc completed, next you form the another one table, treatment table. That table is called a treatment table. That table is called a treatment table. Now you form the treatment table, then you write here first column, second column, third column, fourth column, then corresponding treatment A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. What is the corresponding A, B, C value? First one, what is A value? First one, what is A value? 12. Okay. Now we want to arrange the new table. Okay. Now we want to arrange the new table here. First one, first column 12. Then first one is a B value. First one B value is 12 again. First row, first column is a B value is 12. And then right here 12. Then right here 12 again. Okay. Then 12 again. And what is a C value and what is a B value? Okay, then entry summation value, then all things idea you want completed. Okay, then all things idea you want completed. Okay, 12 and first C value, first value 16, 18. Then writing here 16, 18, 16, 18. Similarly, we can write the another second row, second column. Second column, row values A values 14, A values 14. Therefore, write in here 14 and B value. What is the corresponding B value? Corresponding B value 11. Corresponding B value 11. Then write 11 and what is the values here? Another value B, C, C 15, 20. 15, 20. And what is the remaining? A வந்து 15, 11, 15, 11, 15, 11 and C value 16, 19. D value 16, 19. Okay. After you read, you arrange the all calculation. Then what is the SST formula? SST equal to summation treatments whole square divided by n. N value is 4 only minus corrected pattern. So what do you mean by this one? Separately, you want to add sum of the square. Okay. Separately, you want to add sum of the square. Then you want completed. Okay. Separately, you want completed work. Okay. Summation treatment, then summation treatment squared, summation treatment and summation treatment square. Okay. Maybe what is the value of this one? You want to put that. Then after end of calculation, maybe here first calculation 54 means 54 whole squared is 2916. Similarly, you want calculate the all things ideas. Similarly, calculation all things idea. Okay. 11 11, maybe 8 result is 10, maybe this result is 15. What is the value here? Check that. Then end up result is SST. I completed SST values only. What is the calculation SST meaning? 144.5. 144.5. Please check that. Any doubt regarding the treatment table? Any doubt regarding treatment table?
No, no.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, ma. End of this result, you want to calculate the MST and also DSS, MSE and DSSE. So complete all calculation part and you form the ANOVA table. You form the ANOVA table. That's all. That's all. Okay. Then what is the conclusion part? Okay. Now you given the conclusion only. Conclusion: row wise accepted, column wise accepted, treatment wise is rejected. Please note that conclusion I given. Uh, row wise accepted. Okay. Row wise accepted and column wise is also accepted. Column wise is also accepted. Treatment is rejected. Okay. This is a conclusion. Okay. Please complete your homework. Uh, maybe the next class I doing the next two squared pattern.